I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of my Maggie-May art journal. And this really went fast and I enjoyed myself so much. So I have my cover that I made. And our first prompt, was star sign. And although I don't go in for the horoscopes and stuff, mine is Taurus, which is a bull. And so I did this. I love bulls anyway, so I did this picture here, and it says I have absolutely no desire to fit in. On this next one was family, vintage, history, or old times, and I did some water soluble crayon and inked and Stabilo, and I stamped and just did this. On this one was Stormy, so I got the Stormy colors. I loved her hair and it just seemed like it was part of a storm clouds, and it says embrace your journey. The next prompt was words, quotes, or soppy informations, and I did the world needs who you were meant to be, and I just did some doodling. This one is I see the ocean, so I did some ocean critters and added some of that glimmery glimmer stick. And this one was music to my eyes, and I just did a background digital with this that came from my Sunday school book, and it says be your beautiful self. Mark making or intuitive scripting, and I did this near graph, which was a lot of fun. I forgot how much I enjoyed doing this. This one is what a load of nonsense, and so I just had some funny, interesting things, and it says replace fear of the unknown with curiosity, let life surprise you, trust your crazy ideas. So I thought that was a lot of fun. This one was flighty things, so I had butterflies and birds. This one's yikes, I can't do a portrait. Yes, you can. So I did a self-portrait. And this one is Collage My World. And I love quirky, I love vintage, I love butterflies. And it says it, and I like being funny. So it says, in my defense, I was left unsupervised. I had a lot of fun with this. This one is fairy, goddess, or queen. So I did the fairy queen, and I just collaged that. And this one was the last one, and it was a magazine page transformation. And I used these images from National Geographic, and I added in some birds from my bird book and some botanist stickers. Prius, stop, baby. So, and now on the last page, I just decorated it, put a belly band so it will hold all these prompts, so I'll remember what this was all about. So, I hope you enjoyed this series. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Leigh's channel at Leigh Creates. She is so talented. And be sure and check out the hashtag Maggiemayart here on YouTube and on Instagram. So y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.